disclaimers, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, my name is Trina and welcome to my channel. I do DIY videos, lifestyle videos, challenges, and a whole bunch of fun random videos, so I stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and be part of the Glam Squad. So today's video is so exciting because we're going to be doing first impressions, reviews, swatches of some Focallure, I think I'm saying it right, Focallure Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. I heard so much about this brand and they're so inexpensive. They're such an inexpensive brand and they just had a sale going on. And I got these eyeshadow palettes for like, I got one for like $12.99, I got one for $6.99, and I got one for $14.99. So, you know, I was hyped saving the coins. And one is a dupe for the Hoodie Beauty palette that is $60, and I got it for $12.99. If you guys like makeup videos, if you love swatches, if you love seeing my review, my first impressions, then stay tuned. Keep on watching. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel to be part of the Glam Squad. And let's get right into the video. I picked up 3 eyeshadow palettes. I got the Sunrise Impressions eyeshadow palette. I got the Burning eyeshadow palette. And I got the Endless Possibility palette. So we're going to start off with this one first. This one is the Sunrise Impressions 16 pan eyeshadow palette. And it's so freaking beautiful. I just love like the cover. It's just so spring girly, you know, just super cute, up my alley. And this was, I think this was originally $16.99, but it was on sale for $12.99. And this is the dupe for the Hoodie Beauty palette that is $60. I was like, no, we're not paying no $60. She was tripping. She was drunk. She was tripping. I made no $60, $12. Yes, that's up my alley. And so this is what the beautiful palette looks like. And I'm gonna open her up, and she's so beautiful. So this is definitely a dupe. You can definitely tell I already swatched it, so those my fingers already dipped in it. I already dipped my hands in this, but it is such a dupe for the Hoodie Beauty palette, and it's so pretty. And I think these colors are more prettier than the Hoodie Beauty palette, so I think I won. But it's just so pretty. The packaging is just so beautiful, and I'm just upset. So this is all of the swatches. Plain orange first. Spritz to the one. Go in with Punch Pink to like purplish shade. Go in, I'm going in with Timberly Lights. Put that. Steampunk, that really pretty glittery shade, and I'm gonna put that right here. It is so pretty, and it's just like melts in your finger and you press it down. It's like really like wet feeling. Glad. And this is the final look. Okay, my thoughts about the palette. I am obsessed. The eye came out really good. It was a little powdery, but it was really nice and blendable. The glitter is very, very pretty. Like, I am obsessed with this steampunk shade. That glitter is so bomb. I'm obsessed with the punch pink color. It just really, really pretty. Really, really. I'm just obsessed. I'm just. I love it so much. I just love the colors. It went so nicely. Palette is definitely a winner. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it?
Nice.
Definitely a winner. I would definitely say get this palette. And so it's so inexpensive. It definitely beats the Huda Beauty that is $60. It definitely beats that. Like, heck to no, not paying us $60. You better buy this for $14. Such a good one. So yeah, just a look, and hope you guys like it. Now on to the next eye look. The next palette is the Possibility palette, and the packaging is super cute. I love the color. Look close the packaging. And this is what the outside looks like. Super cute. And it's really nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap feeling. It feels really like nice and sturdy. And it's open her up, and she is so beautiful. And I love like really small palettes, not like big bulky palettes. I love like such cute small palettes, and it does come with a mirror. Originally $19.99. I got this for $14.99. So and this is just so pretty. Those colors are so pretty, and I love the shade names like Barbie, Neon Carrot, Pina Colada, Honey Cherry Pop, Glam, Hottie, Nebula, Mermaid Tears. It's just so freaking pretty, and I just cannot wait to play it. These are all the swatches. This rose kind of it's kind of like powdery, not like it's pigmented, but not like all pigmented. To this row, and she popping, she glam, she is pigmented, and over here, bam, pigmented, so pretty. Now these shades are bomb. Okay, we are close and personal. Excuse this brow. I don't know why this brow is darker than this one. It's just, but excuse that right now. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I love this, and my best friend got this for me for my birthday, and she got it from TJ Maxx. And with the color Hottie, this one right here, this shade is color. My name is like a pinkish, warmish tone color, so I'm going to blend that in my shade Honey right here, and put that in my creasy. I'm liking this. Really pretty. Cherry pop. That little bright orangey reddish color. I would say more orange than red. It's like a mix. She popping. Oh my god, I love it so far. I didn't finish. The colors look so good together and they just like really like cute. Very pretty. Okay, now I'm going to Barbie right here. I'm not gonna cut my crease because sometimes I be struggling, so I'm not cutting my crease. I'm gonna put Barbie right here, and with Glam, the shimmer shade right here, Glam. So I'm gonna put Glam right on top of Barbie, and with Hottie, I'm gonna go in with Hottie again. And I'm gonna do my waterline. So I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm gonna use the Super Sizer CoverGirl mascara. And this is the final look, guys. Okay, my impressions about this palette is I'm obsessed. The colors blended so good together. The color is just so pigmented, so pretty, and I love the look I did with it. The shades are just so creamy, so like buttery. There wasn't a lot of fallout. And yeah, I just have to say all good things about this palette. Definitely worth it. I would definitely buy it. You can do so many looks with this palette, and everything is just bomb. This is definitely Glamorous Tray approve. Okay, so the next palette is the Burning palette, and this palette is so pretty. It's like this orange goldish white patterning color, and it's very nice and sturdy as well. It's like a cute small palette, and you open her up, she looks like this. And we do have a brush, and also like a nice, you have like a fluffy end, and you have like a little, it's really a cute brush, but I can probably use it. Color scheme is so pretty. I just love it, and it does come in the mirror, of course. Love the mirrors. Okay, that skyline yellow is really faded. It's not even showing on the swatch, so that's dead. But these are the swatches. Very pretty, really like nudish, reddish tone. I'm obsessed. I love the warm tones anyway, so super cute. For the eye look, using the Burning palette, I am going to use this transition shade called Antique White. I have no idea what that is, but I'm going to use that. I'm gonna go in with Pottery. There's like red color right here. Right from my outer corner. shade called Diamond right on top of the Queen shade. Ooh, it's pretty. Alright, so this is the final look. I freaking love the look I did. This palette, okay, some of the eyeshadows, like I would say Skyline, like this shade is like really like patchy. Well, I feel like any yellow from a palette is like really hard to work with. That yellow is really hard to work with. But the rest of the shades are really nice. Like I love this diamond shade as like a topper. I used it as a lid topper. Really pretty. I love the shimmers, and the mattes are really nice. Like the pottery shade is like really like pigmented. I'm sorry, look this way. The pottery shade is like really pigmented and like really like bright and bold. I like really love it, and that transition shade was really nice. Overall, this palette is not that bad. I feel like the price is not that bad, but the only thing that I didn't like was the Skyline shade. Like that shade sucks really bad, but I really like this palette. It's really nice. And Focallure is just Focallure is just doing their thing. So yeah, this palette is definitely worth it. Like I said, I really love these shimmer shades. They're really nice. So yeah guys, that is all my looks from all the Focallure beauty eyeshadow palettes, and I would say my top favorite would be the Sunrise palette. I really like that palette. The Inspira's Beauty palette is really great too, but my favorite is definitely the Sunrise palette. I just really love that, like that color story is like really pretty. I feel like my second favorite would definitely be the Possibilities palette, because the look I did was just like popping. And then my third favorite would be the Burning palette. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want me to do any more makeup reviews, definitely let me know in the comments what you want me to review next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're already watching, you came this far, so you might as well go ahead and subscribe. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on other videos that I do. And always remember, be yourself and have fun doing it. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.